test, pyramid, words, exercises to practice words, essay, writing a short essay on a particular topic. Display words or sentences in the order you have entered them. Enter the words or sentences you want to display. Click here to display the words in the order you have entered them. Click here again to pause autoplay. Click on the arrows to display or hide text. Use this exercise to display words to practice pronunciation. Click on the plus icon to add new words. Insert the worksheet into your exercise book so it can be used later during the lesson or sent to students. Right-click the icon you have inserted. Click here to view more options. Click here to return to editing mode, where you can edit your exercises or add new ones. Have students write a short essay based on the instructions provided. Click here to open the media library. Drag and drop an image and adjust it if necessary. Enter the title of the short essay and the instructions. Click on the Save button in the drop-down menu to make changes to the inserted worksheet. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.